It's our job to make sure everyone is happy. That's why our team works so hard at providing great service. It's so rewarding to receive and share great feedback like this. So it should come as no surprise that we love hearing from people that are happy and satisfied, and this review is no exception, showing our dedication to superior service. This is also one of our favorite reviews, very inspiring. We work hard to ensure everyone is happy and satisfied with our service, and we will work just as hard for you too. We appreciate you taking the time to drop in on us today. You can contact us anytime at the number on your screen. We hope to see you soon.